Hi, this is Rich Rowe with Costa Rica Retreats. We take people on awesome vacations. Michelle, come on in here. My lovely wife, Michelle. So we're the owners of Costa Rica Retreats. We have a couple of pickleball retreats coming up, shameless plug, but I'm actually here to do this unboxing video. This is the mini court by Enhance, and this is a 10-foot net, regulation height, but 10 feet wide, and it also has apparently the whole non-volley zone, the kitchen lines in there, so we can work at our dinking game. Sound fun?
Let's do it.
All right, so we're doing the glorious unboxing. Here we go. Well, first of all, I stalked this product for a little while online, and it seemed like something that would be perfect. I am a coach here in Laguna Beach, and sometimes when the courts are busy, you just want to be able to go and play. Maybe while I'm doing that, you can start to take off the plastic, babe. And it seemed like it had good overall reviews to it, so I was happy about that. Looks like we have a carry bag here. Great when I need to cart that elsewhere.
These are all numbered.
Oh, good. All right, well, I'm sure to follow all the steps very carefully. We've got our lines here. Looks like I'm pulling out the net. But the shipping came as ordered. It looks like it just came from Southern California, so that was really close. I got a follow-up email from Connor, and Connor wanted to know how my experience was. I haven't replied to him yet because I wanted to do this video first. But so far everything seems to be in good working order. As we go ahead and unwrap the stuff. Oh, here the corners all Velcro. That'll be nice.
2 5s, 2 3s, 1 4.
All right. I've put together a lot of nets. I teach indoors at a Boys and Girls Club here in Laguna Beach. And every day we are putting together nets, so this shouldn't be too complicated. Everything look like they're pretty good. Of course, we're not going to read the instructions. We're going to do everything without instructions. And then if we get lost, we'll take one. All right, so looks like we've got all our stuff here. Let's see how hard this is to put together without any instructions.
Okay.
I'm imagining.
I like the numbers on it. That makes it really easy.
Okay, I'm imagining these are the two sides, like this. That seemed to hold up a net, and that's going to hold up some whatever crossbar they have.
Maybe go next.
All right, you want to take twos next? Okay. Where would twos go? Does it say two here?
No.
Oh, but I've got a little bit of a notch here, so that looks like that's going to fit in there. Yep. Perfect. Do you want to do that one on the other side, babe? I got a couple of 5s. I'm assuming these 5s are going to stick together. No, they've got ends on them. This is probably what's going to hold up the net. All right, I like that. Can you take that other 5, find the little hole and put it in there? And then we've got to have a crossbar in here somewhere. I got some 3s. Let's see if these go together. Looks like they do. Now, a good unboxing video, we should probably actually be reading the instructions. We are definitely not doing that. This is going across the bottom. I think this is going to be it.
Yeah.
What do you know? Maybe we have it.
Oh my gosh, that was so simple.
I'm somebody that does like to put together an IKEA package, so maybe I'm a little different in that regard. All right, let's see what this net deal is all about. Okay. Why don't you take that in, babe?
Yep.
Imagine we're going to thread it on top. You're already doing that. Wow, so far, pretty easy, even for those that don't put together IKEA stuff. I imagine. All right, we've got a net tightening system here if we want to make it a little bit tauter.
Want me to pull it tighter?
Well, maybe crank it up a little bit.
Super easy, just Velcros, really, really easy.
All right. Look at that, here are my neighbors. The obsession is real. This is we have a party coming up, you're invited, and we're inviting our neighbors, and being that everybody I know loves pickleball, we'll have a mini pickleball court on the outside. So we're also doing an unboxing video as we're, it's filming us as being hams as we are doing this unboxing video. We'll see how it goes. All right. The neighbors get to join in. Excellent. Well, it looks like these are going to go right there. That, I don't know how that's going to connect, but I think each of these is going to be even. You want to just start doing stuff along the back,
Just gonna
babe?
Get this out of the way.
Okay, making it nice and neat.
Oh, this is I like this. This is a whole bag just to put everything in when you're not using it.
All right. Velcro to Velcro. There's going to be an end. Does that one side not have Velcro? Good, then bring that over here and put the non-Velcro side on this end because I think they're going to meet.
Okay.
The Velcro side will go there. I'm just winging this. I'm not really sure how it works. If you could attach that Velcro, babe,
Yeah, I can do that.
I'll do this one.
Okay.
All right. There's probably going to be something that connects here. This is another one for that side. There's going to be something that connects these guys in the middle. I haven't come to that part yet. Or if it just oh, you know what? It probably just
Probably
lays
sits under it.
under the feet.
Yeah.
All right. Well, so far pretty easy. I'm not sure how far these are supposed to extend. I'll just put them, oh, I see a line here. Excellent, that makes sense. So on the line, the line system, there's a white line that goes across. I'm assuming that's going to go right under here, so I know how far to put this back. All right. All right. I have a couple pieces of blue tape. I had originally played a little bit out here with my clients, and I was estimating how big the coat would be. Yeah, but this is two people that didn't read the instructions.
Hold on, that needs to be flipped. This side.
Gotcha. Okay, so let's flip that over. Hold that corner.
Yeah.
Yep. And it's going to go like this. Easy fix. Easy fix.
That was really fast.
All right. Well, there's going to be a timestamp on there. So two people never having done this before with everything disassembled. 5 minutes maybe. All right. And I could get out my tape measure and measure height. I'm not going to do that stuff now. But since we have it set up, let's do a little dinking, shall we?
Yeah.
All right. Another shameless shout out to Carbon Paddles. Thank you guys for the support. You guys are awesome. And I love your paddles. Now this is a new one. I'm not sure about this. My wife spent an entire year in fashion career. Michelle, what do you think of my beautiful fanny pack?
I think as long as you're comfortable wearing it and I never have to wear it, I'm okay.
She loves it. I can tell. Okay, so we've got some hazards here. Actually, I'm going to take this side. This is the cactus side. Honey, I don't want you in the cactus area. You're going to be over here. We might want to, at some point, we're probably going to want to shift the whole thing over here a little bit so you've got a little bit more room. But let's get dinking. Enhance says that you can turn your driveway into a pickleball court.
We're sitting on the outside of this?
Yeah, well, so this represents half the court. It's 10 feet wide. The court is a regular court's 20 feet wide. This section is 7 feet, then there's another 14 feet that goes back to the baseline. We don't have that, but we've got enough to do a little dinking, shall we?
Let's do it.
All right, we're not waiting in line at the courts at Ulta. We are working on working on our game. There's definitely some hazards here. As we've got cacti behind me. Good, taken out of the air. Oh, get it, nice. I'm gonna give Michelle an attackable ball, ready to attack. Oh, that was a bad, nice one. Oh, we're gonna let that one go. I fed her into the bushes if you can't see that far back. But every once in a while, Michelle does a good dink. I like to reward her. Good dink with a attackable ball that she can smash down on me. Nice. Oh, cactus. All right, we're gonna let that one go. And how handy is it to have a ball right here, ready to go? So as I've been coaching Michelle, one of the things I've been telling her is to kind of aim for my feet. This non-volley zone line is a good place to catch people beautiful off guard. And when she does that, sometimes I give her a pop-up that she kills. Okay. Hey, the net works. Net works. Oh, speed up.
Into the tree.
All right, so I see a little potential issue with the neighbors. Not just the noise, but we've got pickleballs flying everywhere. Oh, good one. Good get, Michelle. Someone's been working on her short game. All right. So I'm not getting paid. I paid full price for this product. I think the retail was $154.95. I waited online. Maybe I got it for $139.99. A little bit extra for shipping. I'm not really sure. But as I said, we've got a party coming up. And I think this is going to be a fun little party thing for my pickleball friends. Last year we had ping pong, and ping pong was pretty fun, but this is pickleball. All right, I'm going to give Michelle a bangable moment here. Uh-oh. Bam! I hit that one into the tree. I'm not sure if you saw that. Every try and give you a pop-up. Pop-up. Ho! Ooh. Watch the car. Yep. Let's kill it this way then. And ho! Into the net. Compact swing, baby. Compact swing. Compact swing. Nice. Compact. Good. Ho! And my ball's out a little bit. All right, so we're going to fetch that ball. We'll probably pick it up. But first impressions, fun, works, easy. We'll have a couple more comments a little later.